Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the Quick Add feature on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The Snapchat Quick Add feature will suggest you to people who it thinks may know you and give them the option to add you. If you don't want to be added in this way, you can turn the feature off by doing the following. Open up Snapchat and tap on your profile or user image at the top left. Then from the profile screen, tap on the settings cog in the top right corner. Scroll down settings until you see the option called See Me in Quick Add and tap on that. Now tap on the tick after Show Me in Quick Add to uncheck it. Once there is no tick, you will no longer be visible in Quick Add. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.